Here is the sign for prepare. Okay, we're going to use the same hand shape for both hands, like this. How do we do it? Well, we have the hands. Put the fingers together, thumbs alongside. Now bring them down here. The palms are facing towards each other, okay? Start over here and go 1, 2. All right, so I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go in this direction, starting from my right side to my left side. If you're lefty, do the opposite. Start this way and go the other way, okay? So I'm right-handed. I'm going to start over here and go 1, 2. We're kind of just making a sweeping motion. There's some sort of procedure, process going on down here. So 1, 2. From the side, prepare. From the other side, prepare. All right, from the front again, prepare. All right. Let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Prepare, prepare, prepare. Okay. Flat hands, like that. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start here. Start from my right, go to the left. All right. Good, good. Here is the sign for make. Okay, so the concept here is generate, create, make. All right, we're going to be using 2 fists. They're actually the letters S. Or you could say, you put up your dukes. Aha, 2 fists right there. How to make an S? Go like this, thumbs in front. Now I'm right-handed. I'm going to put my first fist like this, palm facing down. Second fist, my non-dominant hand underneath. Now twist twice. Make. You could pretend like you're grabbing a pole, right? And you're twisting twice. You could also pretend it's a pepper grinder. One of those big ones, right? You grab it, grinding that pepper. 1, 2. Make. From the side, make. From the other side, make. From the front again, make. Okay, let's do it 3 times. Sign with me, starting from the rest position. Here we go. Make, make, make. Okay, so you might be thinking, this sign seems familiar. Well, this is make. There's another sign, coffee, which goes like this. Like coffee you drink right in the morning. Coffee. See if you can notice the difference. I'm going to first sign make. Make. Now we have coffee. All right, so make stays here and we just twist, right? Coffee goes around like you're grinding that coffee machine, all right? Bonus sign, you just learned how to sign coffee. Coffee, right? For our purposes, we need make. So stay here, just twist. Grind that pepper grinder. Make. All right, quick review. 2 fists, a letter S, 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, twist twice. That is make. All right, we just talked about the sign for make.